kids, are you ready to see how I make some little plants? So first, we are gonna put some dirt in 4 of these, and then we're gonna poke some holes and then put some seeds and water them. So let's get started. So you just gotta, so you can, if you don't have any gardening gloves, just buy them like online, and maybe they'll come. So you just get them on. Okay, so now I got one hand. Just get a little bit and just pour it in. Just do it like, maybe like 2 times or 3 if you have a bigger bucket. Just like, if you have a big bucket, then do like maybe like 6 or 5 or 3. So I'm just doing 3 for this one. Okay, now we gotta do the rest. Yeah. So we like, so when I'm doing this and when we're done with this, you like poke holes, just like flatten it a little.
Poking little tiny holes in there?
Okay, now we poke little holes, like how many you want. Like how many. So we're gonna plant some seeds, some plants. Okay? Okay, so if you have like some seeds or stuff, you can just get like how many you want and then just put them in and then cover them. Like you can do like how many you want. So I'm doing like putting 3 in all of them. So now I'm done. Now, if you have like a sink or like a bucket, then like put a little water in them. And if there's like holes in them, you can put like some rocks or put them on a tray that have some sides, and then they won't get all over your tables. So I'm gonna go fill this. Okay, so now I got some water. So now I'm getting water. Like if you, in the next morning, you can like fill them if they're wet and then just leave them for next day. And if there's some like a little wet, then don't put any. So I'm gonna water them for the first time.
How much water do you think?
Maybe like 3 drops or 4. So I'm just putting like maybe 4. Okay, so now we're all done. Thanks for tuning in with me.